Welcome to Festool TV. My name is Alan. The Festool RENOFIX RG 130 ECI is a dedicated surface grinder. You can use the RG 130 to flatten surfaces like concrete if you have high spots or runs, or protrusions from formwork. You can also remove and flatten materials like screed, tiling adhesive, mortar, plaster, adhesives, bitumen coatings on mineral substrates, and the removal of paint on wood. And all this is achieved by simply fitting the correct disc to the RG 130. For me, there are three great features of the RG 130 that I want to bring to your attention. Firstly, the RG 130 has unlimited power. The new brushless 1600 watt motor delivers constant power without overheating. Here you can see the temperature difference between the Festool EC Tech brushless motor compared to a conventional brushed motor. The RG 130 stays as cool as a cucumber. Having a motor that runs so much cooler allows you to achieve the perfect substrate in no time at all, effortlessly and without interruptions. As well as unlimited power, the RG 130 ECI also has an excellent service life. There are several very clever elements working together in the RG 130 to more than double the expected lifetime of the motor compared to a brushed motor grinder. The EC Tech motor runs much cooler temperatures, and when the grinder is switched off, it stays very cool, whilst a brushed motor gets even hotter. By keeping the running temperature cooler, the life of the motor is massively extended. Another advantage of the brushless motor is that there are no wearing parts, extending the service life. There is also Festool full wave electronics, delivering a smooth startup, constant speed control, overload safety, restart protection, and thermal monitoring. The cool running EC Tech brushless motor with the all metal gearbox and the full wave electronics all come together into the RG 130, making it an extremely robust and durable. You also have Festool Service All-Inclusive Support Package when you register your Festool power tool within 30 days of purchase. And the third highlight of the RG 130 is healthy working within the Festool system. Surface grinding is a very messy operation. Here we have a side-by-side clip of the RG 130 being used for a minute with and without extraction. The extraction on the RG 130 is just superb when connected to a Festool CTM 36E AC RENOFIX extractor with a CT pre-separator. You can see that by using the full Festool system, the user can work with excellent dust extraction. This protects both you and your customer's health. In contrast, working without extraction, the user cannot even complete the full minute safely because he cannot see what he's doing. The unlimited power, excellent service life, and the healthy working as a complete system make the RG 130 an excellent solution for your surface grinding challenges. Please also take a look at our video on all the other smaller features that really set the RENOFIX head and shoulders above the crowd. My name is Alan. Thank you for watching Festool TV.